Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another try on haul. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, especially if you love my try on hauls as much as I do. That way you're always notified when I upload another one. So today's try on haul is going to consist of everything from Hotmiamistyles. So this haul is going to consist of mostly dresses. I was looking for a dress the other day and I'm just like, wow, I really don't have any summer dresses. So I went a little dress crazy, but that's okay because they're all super cute and I think you guys will enjoy the items that I chose. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. The first thing that I have is this long dress. It goes all the way down to my ankles. I guess it's not really that long, but it's long. So it's a ribbed navy with white and mustard stripes. It almost looks gold, but I'm sure this is a mustard color. So the smallest size that Hotmiamistyles carry is a small. So I normally get everything in a size small. Sometimes the items fit, sometimes they don't because I'm normally a size extra small. So this dress is a size small and as you can see it looks very small, but it does stretch out. It's super stretchy and especially once you put it on it just hugs your curves and it just looks really good. So I like that this one does go all the way down to the ankle, but you can still like move around in it. It's not super constricting on your body. So this is the first dress that I have. Moving right along, I have this orange, it's like a coral. I have this coral dress, really cute. It is on the shorter side and the texture is very different. I don't know how to explain the texture, but this dress is lined because otherwise it would be very sheer, and it's almost still a little sheer in the light, but yeah, this is what this dress looks like. I haven't tried a couple of these dresses on yet, so I don't know exactly how they fit, but we'll both see together when I try it on. So the next item that I have is a swimsuit, and this is just a all black one piece. Again, the swimsuit is a size small. It is a little big on me. It doesn't quite fit, but yeah, I just really like the black on black. It gives it a sporty vibe and it does zip all the way down, which is really cute. Next, I have a pair of shorts that don't fit me either. I think I put both items that I can't fit next to each other, but I saw these in Rosh's try on haul and I said, oh, those shorts are so cute. I need them, but unfortunately they don't fit me. So this is what the shorts look like. They're really cute. They're like a khaki color with gold detailing and I just thought they were really cute. They come with a matching belt. They're high-waisted, everything I love about shorts, but they just don't fit. I feel like if they had these shorts in an extra small, I could probably fit them, but the small is pretty big. So I have these shorts here. So I'm moving right along. I have another summer dress. This one is much longer. It does have buttons down the front and then the buttons stop and it's just open like a little slit. I love the colors. I love the back. It does tie in the back and then like your lower back is out, which is really sexy, and I just love this dress. It's pretty long so it does touch the floor. Might have to get it hemmed up just a little bit so it doesn't drag the floor and get dirty, but I love the colors on this dress and I think it's just a really nice summer dress, especially when it's like really hot outside and you don't want to have a lot of clothes on and you don't want really tight clothes on. You want something that's nice and airy and flowy. This is perfect for that. So I have this dress. So moving right along, this is probably my favorite dress out of everything that I have because I love the color yellow and this is just such a bright yellow. This is a ribbed dress. I actually have dresses like these, but they're long sleeve and longer. This dress is short sleeve and shorter. So I just love these dresses because you can wear them on your shoulder, you can wear them off the shoulder, and they just fit so good. They just look so good and I just love this color yellow. It's so bright, it's so cute, it fits really well, and yeah, I just love this dress so much. It's so cute. It's super stretchy. As you can see, it looks really small, but it does stretch out and it's a really soft fabric. It's a soft knitted fabric and I just love it. So I have this dress, and then next I have a pair of white shorts because I had a pair of white shorts but they ain't white no more, so I needed a fresh new pair. So these are a pair of high-waisted distressed, but they're not really distressed, they're just frayed at the bottom. So these are a pair of high-waisted shorts. They have pockets in the back and then faux pockets in the front. really cute and white, which I needed. Moving right along, I have this bodysuit that I picked to go along with these white shorts. I just thought it was really cute that this was like a heather gray color, but when you pop open the buttons, it's white. So I thought this would be really cute paired together. So this is a thong bodysuit, which I love because I hate panty lines. So I like that this is a thong. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have buttons on the bottom, so you can easily snap it on and off, like when you have to use the restroom, because otherwise you have to literally pull like your whole bodysuit down, which is not the easiest thing to do. And I haven't mastered the pulling your bodysuit to the side thing. That just probably wouldn't be a good idea for me, honestly. Ain't nobody trying to be on themselves. So next I have a black dress, just like the yellow one. Of course, you just always have to get a black dress because you never know when you just need a black dress. So I really like this one. It's the same thing with the yellow one. You can wear it on your shoulder, you can wear it off the shoulder. It's a nice soft knit fabric. It's like midi length. It's not super short. It probably goes down to like above my knee, and I just think it's really cute. It's super dark, it's super black. It's just a really nice dress. So of course I had to snag it in black as well. So the last dress that I have from Hotmiamistyles is another long one. This one is much sexier though. It has like 2 slits in the front. So you're exposing lots of thigh area, and then it's a spaghetti strapped, and pretty much your whole back is out. Like you have this little section up here, but like your whole lower back is out. It does zip in the back. I'm so out of breath. I haven't tried this one on yet, so I'm not sure how it's gonna fit, but I hope it does fit because it was really cute on the model. The colors are really nice, summer colors, but they're muted. They're not like super bright. So yeah, it's just like a floral pattern, and this one is really long too, so I'm sure it's gonna drag the floor, but it's super cute. It does have adjustable straps, so I love items that have adjustable straps because I always need to tighten it to like, I can't tighten it no more. But yeah, those are all the items that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will list the links to all the items that I have down below, just so it's easier for you guys to shop if you're interested in any of the items that I have. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.